Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Place. So let's start our current affairs of June 28, 2021. And the first question is, which country has signed the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? And the options are A. Sweden, B. Philippines, C. Denmark, and D. Japan. And the correct answer is C. Denmark. Denmark becomes first country to ratify International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement. And the second question is, which state cabinet has approved the student credit card scheme? And the options are A. West Bengal, B. Assam, C. Gujarat, and D. Maharashtra. And the correct answer is A. West Bengal. This scheme will be implemented and launched on June 30th, 2021. Loans will be given for higher studies in India as well as abroad. Loans will get at 4% interest rates. State government would act as guarantor. Anyone who has spent 10 years in West Bengal can available loan benefits under this scheme. One person is eligible to get loan under this scheme till 40 years of age. Students will be provided 15 years to repay this loan after they get a job. And the third question is, which country will operationalize first electric train in remote Himalayan region of Tibet? And the options are A. Bhutan, B. China, C. India, and D. Japan. The correct answer is B. China. The electric train will connect provincial capital Lhasa and Ningxi. And the fourth question is, which city tops in the list of Smart City Award 2020 announced under the Smart Cities Mission? And the options are A. Hyderabad, B. Vijayawada, C. Surat, and D. Pune. And the correct answer is C. Surat. Surat is at first position, followed by Indore, Ahmedabad, Pune, Vijayawada, Rajkot, Vizag, and Vadodara. Best Union Territory award was conferred to Chandigarh. UP is top performing state, followed by Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. And the fifth question is, India's first indigenous aircraft INS Vikrant will be commissioned in which year? And the options are A. 2025, B. 2023, C. 2021, and D. 2022. And the correct answer is D. 2022. This aircraft carrier is being constructed by Cochin Shipyard in Kochi. It will undergo send trials by the end of 2022 and is expected to enter into service by the end of 2022. Motto of the IAC is Jayama Samyuddhi Suprada. It is taken from Rigveda 1.8.3. The sixth question is, which state fisheries department has constituted a 7-member committee? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Kerala, and D. Karnataka. The correct answer is C. Kerala. To study and submit report on methods to resolve issues related to safety at sea committee is headed by P. Sahadevan. He is former additional director of fisheries. And the seventh question is, Bader Al Mutawa becomes world's most capped player in football. Belongs to which country? The options are A. Oman, B. UAE, C. Dubai, and D. Kuwait. And the correct answer is D. Kuwait. Badel Al Mutawa started his international career on September 4, 2003, and he became world's most capped player in football recently. And the eighth question is, who broken the world record in the women's 100-meter backstroke in swimming? And the options are Gail McCone, B. Taylor McCone, C. Emma McCone, and D. Regan Smith. And the correct answer is A. Gail McCone. She is an Australian swimmer as she reached the target point within a time from of 57 seconds 45 milliseconds. Previous world record was USA swimmer Regan Smith with 57:57. And the ninth question is, who becomes first Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the options are A. Srihari Nataraj, B. Sajan Prakash, C. Shivani Kataria, and D. Kushagra Rawat. And the correct answer is B. Sajan Prakash. As he clocks 1 hour 56 minutes 38 seconds in men's 200-meter butterfly at Cettil Colli Trophy in Rome. The qualification cutoff was 1 hour 56 minutes 48 seconds. And the 10th question is, which institute has developed rapid antigen test kit for COVID-19 for only 50 rupees? And the options are A. IIT Madras, B. IIT Bombay, C. IIT Delhi, and D. IIT Thiruvananthapuram. And the correct answer is C. IIT Delhi. Rapid antigen test kit has been developed by IIT Delhi researchers led by Dr. Harpal Singh. And the 11th question is, which organization has test fired the Pinaka rocket in extended range version? And the options are A. ISRO, B. BEML, C. HAL, and D. DRDO. And the correct answer is D. DRDO. It can range up to 45 kilometers and can fire 12 rockets of 44 seconds. And the 12th question is, who has launched the financial year round of Survey 2021 on CSESE and FLAMF? And the options are A. RBI, B. SCBI, C. SBI, and D. NABARD. And the correct answer is A. RBI. Whereas CSESE means Computer Software Enabled Services Exports, and FLAMF means Foreign Liabilities and Assets of Mutual Funds. The 13th question is, in which of the following bank LIC, SBI Life and Canara Bank brought stakes under QIP? And the options are A. Union Bank of India, B. Chaitanya Godavari Bank, C. Indian Bank, and D. Indian Overseas Bank. And the correct answer is C. Indian Bank. And the 14th question is, in which state Triton Electric Vehicle to set up 2100 crores manufacturing plant? And the options are A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is D. Telangana. Manufacturing unit will be in Jahirabad, Telangana. Triton is planning to manufacture 50,000 vehicles in the first 5 years. And the one-liners today are, according to World Drug Report 2021, 275 million people use drugs across the world. China has planned to send its first crewed mission to Mars in 2033. ICMR has achieved the milestone of conducting 40 crore testing on 25th June 2021. Maharashtra becomes first state to administer 3 crore COVID-19 vaccines. Tamil Nadu government forms 16-member committee to receive tourism. Government extends deadline for linking PAN with Aadhaar till September 30, 2021. Microsoft launched its new Windows operating system, Windows. Simona Halep withdraws from the US Wimbledon due to calf injury. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay safe, stay home.